on a Saturday morning. Now, Eastern Cape traditional healers embarking on a protest in Gqeberha, demanding that various issues be addressed by the health department. Now, topping the list of their demands is the fact they were not consulted on the drafting of regulations that are looking into their own practices. Now, they marched through the streets of the metro. They ended up at the Department of Health offices. ENCA's Neba Dlanganiso was there for us.
Sangomas, herbalists, and traditional surgeons marched to the health district offices in Gqeberha to submit a memorandum of demands. They say the Department of Health keeps sidelining them when they draft regulations that affect them.
And these regulations now, they were never discussed with us. And you will remember that in 2022, they were also gazetted and we also rejected them. And then now they are coming back, and they are coming back with flaws in that, including the terminology that is being used in the regulation that is not in line with the practice of the healers.
Fuyani says with these new regulations, they're instructed to submit a logbook to the Traditional Healers Council detailing what they've done to the client. They're also not happy with the membership fees they've been instructed to pay.
There are exorbitant fees that are in the regulations, where now we are being charged 5,000 rands, 1,000 to 200 rands that we must pay to the council. And when the council was asked, what are those fees what are those monies are going to be used in? And then they said that they will be used to fund the council.
The memorandum of demands was submitted to the Eastern Cape Health Department.
Yes, according to the Act number 22 of 2007, we need to work together. And when there are concerns that you are reading here, we understand. But Mrs. Mponda will come back to you on this memorandum.
Traditional healers have directed their memorandum to the Minister of Health, and they are giving the department 14 days to respond. Neba Dlanganiso, Gqeberha.